What's up, everybody? Earl here, coming to you from MGM Classic Cars in Addison, Illinois. MGMClassicCars.com. Iconic muscle car time, 1968. Chevelle SS Big Block 396, a true 138 VIN number SS car. Triple black. That's right. Beautiful. Sitting on 18-inch wheels. Custom billets. We're gonna go through the car. Looks good from far, but far from great on the paint. I'm gonna go through it with you so you understand, but it's in a real clean car. Let's go through it. Do a little walk around first and then we'll get up and close. All your moldings are good. Badging. Chrome mirrors, vent windows, key. Lines up great. Real original panels. Quarters are set right. Still got stamp-ins on them. We'll go through those. Paint looks deep. Chrome bumper in the rear is good. Badging's good. Lights are there. It's got a great reflection. What an iconic muscle car stance. Nice. All the glass is good, rear glass is good. The top is in great shape, no bubbles. All the chrome on the windows is great. Rear glass is good, passenger glass is good. Vent window again. Quarters and doors line up great. Sport mirror on the passenger side. Look at that lines. Nice. All the glass, front windshield good. Antenna intact, wipers intact. Good. Now let's get up and close and comfortable with this thing. Front bumper chrome is good. Light bezels. Fish eyes. I see them. I don't know if you can, but I'm gonna do my best to show you. It's a good 10-footer with some fish eyes in the paint all throughout. It shines up great, but it's total driver quality, but it is a true SS. So that's on the hood. You've got some all running through here a little bit. But if you step off, it's fine. Door is good. No deep scratches or anything. No chips. Rear quarters good. Trunk has fish eyes. Try to get you in there. But like I said, I'll step off and look at it. That's 4 feet away. Just so you know what you're getting. And it is a solid car. No rust to be found anywhere. Let's check out the cabin. Okay. All your turn signals are working. Dash pad's nice. Your lights, your brake lights, heater, everything is working the way it should work. All your gauges are working. Little aftermarket gauge kit there. Radio's working. Door panels are nice. All your weather stripping's done right. No rust anywhere to be found. Door sills, door jambs. Nice bench seat. Black, triple black. Deck good. Headliner. Super, super clean interior. Let's fire this beast up. 396 4-speed manual transmission, power steering. Let's see. Give her a little gas. Gauges are working good. Black Betty's a little cold. She'll warm up. So take a look. Fenders are great, original. Inside the trunk is really nice. Getting a little heat in her. All right. What a beautiful stamp. Power steering, power brakes. Gonna give her a little bit more gas. So if we're looking to do some financing and you have a score of anywhere from a 625 to a 739, go to our website, mgmclassiccars.com. Go to the car you like, fill it out. We're going up to 84 months with good credit with 10% down. If you're a 740 and above, go directly to lightstream.com. Again, that's lightstream.com. Generally an approval within 24 hours, sometimes no money down. We've got over 120 cars in stock, pictures and videos on all our vehicles. We do shipping all over the United States. Please text me if you need a quote or call me if you have any questions. My name is Earl, 773-600-0919. Again, that's 773-600-0919. We are located in Addison, Illinois. We're open Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Saturday from 10 until 2, all by appointment only. Again, and you can reach me at 773-600-0919. Like us on Facebook, join us on YouTube, and have a really nice day. Adios.